Hello friends, if you're a part of the family, welcome back. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. As you guys can see from the title, I'm going to be showing you all how I make my own electrolyte water, or like a sports drink, or just water that's filled with minerals, electrolytes. I've been doing this for the past few months. My sisters actually recommended it, and they actually recommended a website which I'm going to share with you all. The link will be in the description box below, and this lady shares just the details as far as just how beneficial drinking electrolyte water is, what it is. I will share a few things, but she goes into far more detail than I do. She even gives you recipes on how to do like a spa water or a sports drink with this mixture. And so, yes, I've been drinking it now for the past few months. So for the past few months, I have been getting tons of headaches, and the weather is kind of changing here. And I think that barometric pressure really does affect my head, and it could be the cause of some of my headaches. But I have really figured out that a grand majority of those headaches have been because my electrolytes have been just off. And so as we get older, we need more electrolytes, and we need to replenish them. And so I love that my sisters were able to share that with me, and I made the powder, electrolyte powder, which is super easy, and I wanted to share it with you all, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna be reading off a little bit off of her website, but again, she shares a lot more, so if you wanna know a lot more detail about it, just obviously go check her out. Yeah, so over here she says, what is an electrolyte, or she asked the question, what is an electrolyte drink? An electrolyte drink is a water that has been fortified with minerals. These minerals help balance the minerals or the electrolytes in our body, okay? And so the main ones that we're going to be adding, or the main electrolytes in our powder, and I'll show you all how I do mine, is gonna be sodium chloride, which is AKA salt, but I'm gonna let you guys know what type of salt to use, potassium chloride, and magnesium glycinate. I can't pronounce it, glycinate. So she says here on her website also that balancing your electrolytes, right, help our body function at their peak performance, okay? Common electrolyte drinks, often referred to as sports drinks, and these are just drinks like Gatorade, like any other, you know what I'm saying, that athletes usually drink to be able to replenish their electrolytes because they're working out, they're sweating a lot. And I do work out, but I think the main reason is that I'm getting older. And so as we're getting older, it's harder for our body to replenish these electrolytes and these minerals. And so that's why it's so important for us to be able to consume them daily to make sure that everything is balanced out. One thing that I learned about drinking electrolyte water, or adding electrolytes to my water, is that it helps me hydrate better and more efficiently, okay? So I could be drinking water all day, but if I add this powder to my drink, I'm able to absorb and really rehydrate my body in a better and more efficient way than if I didn't add this electrolyte powder to my water. So in essence, I am hydrating myself even more and deeper if I am consuming them. Now, just a disclaimer, I am not a doctor, so I highly recommend that you speak to your doctor, your primary care physician, before you add this to your water, just because you may have some underlying issues that your doctor knows about that you need to be aware of, okay? So consult with your doctor first before you go ahead and drink or make this electrolyte drink. Now, I also learned from her website that if my electrolytes are balanced, or actually if they're unbalanced, then it's gonna be harder for me or for anyone to lose weight. Say if you're trying to lose weight and you can't. Well, if your electrolytes are not balanced, then you're going to be experiencing more hunger, you're going to be thirsty, you're gonna be tired, and that increases your cravings for food. And so it's gonna make it hard for you to actually lose weight if you are trying to. And this is another reason why it's so important to make sure your electrolytes are balanced. She also goes into how electrolyte drinks affect your blood pressure. And so again, just check out her website to get a lot more info, because she includes research studies. She quotes a doctor who has done research on this. And she also includes links to articles and journals and research that you can follow up and read it on for yourself. All right, so the main component to our powder is going to be salt, okay? Now, this cannot be your regular table salt. This needs to be good quality salt, okay? So the salt that I get is actually from Costco, and it's a Kirkland brand, and it is 100% salt. So you can also use sea salt, Celtic salt is also a good option, but you want your package in the back where it says ingredients to say simply salt. Why? Because salt that does not have any additives is actually packed with real minerals, and this is a salt that we want to use in our mixture. So again, it has to be real salt. It can't be iodized salt. It can't be table salt. It needs to be a specific salt, okay? So that's step number 1. So the other 2 ingredients are potassium chloride and magnesium glycinate. These 2, when I read this, I was like, where in the world do I buy these? Well, here we get Amazon in Spain, and I was able to go into my Amazon account and be able to find these in powdered form. And they weren't hard at all to find, actually. I will put a link below to the ones that I got here in Spain, just so you guys can have a reference point. But again, the majority of what we're adding to our powder is going to be salt, and then there's a small percentage of the potassium and the magnesium, okay? All right, so next I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through how I recreate this powder. Again, I'm using her measurements, and so go ahead and check it out. And I'll walk you through how I put it together and all the equipment that I use, and the amount that I put into my water bottle to consume a day. All right guys, so here we go. I'm gonna show you all how I mix my electrolyte powder. I have this little glass container where I'm gonna keep it, and I'm gonna store it and keep it on my counter. So it's right here, and this obviously has a lid. First things first, which is salt. So I have here pink salt, fine grain, and I get mine at Costco. So this is the Kirkland brand. And if you go all the way to the back, right, to the ingredients, it's in Spanish, but ingredientes, which means ingredients, sal rosa, which is the pink salt, right, like Himalayan salt. And it is a product of Pakistan. All right, so next thing is potassium chloride. And like I said, I got this in my Amazon here in Spain. And lastly, this is my magnesium, okay? Magnesium powder. Okay. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna add is my salts. I use a funnel just to make it easier to pour. And I'm gonna add half a cup of salt. All right, next I'm gonna add my potassium, and we're going to add 1 3/4 teaspoon of the potassium chloride into our bottle, okay? All right, and lastly, we're gonna add our magnesium, and we're gonna be adding half a teaspoon of the magnesium powder. All right, we're gonna put on the lid and just shake it. Make sure it's really well combined and mixed. And here we go. All right, and the serving is gonna be half a teaspoon, okay? So this is the amount that I add in my jug of water. Half a teaspoon of this into your water once a day, okay? Now, according to her, like I said, this is good for 48 servings. All right guys, so that's super easy. What I do recommend is if you try this water and it's just too salty for you and you want to dilute it even more, I love that here she gives you the recipe for like a sports drink, for spa water, even if you want to add some sweetener to the water to make it, you know, a little more tasty, I guess. I have already gotten used to it. To me, in the initial sip is a little salty, but then I don't know, my palate has just gotten used to it. And now if I don't drink this water a day, I feel weird. It's like my body just has developed that habit to like crave it. And so I try to consume about 3 of these jugs a day. They're about 22 ounces each. And so one of the 3 has the electrolyte powder. And so, yeah, I've kind of gotten used to it. And like I said, it's been very beneficial to me and to my headaches, just making sure my electrolytes are balanced out. All right, guys, so that's about it. If you have any questions, please include them in the comments below. I would love to know how you guys do your electrolyte water. If you guys tried it, has it been beneficial to you? If you are suffering from headaches, if they have gone away, etc. So again, any question, comments that you have, just go ahead and comment below the description box in the comments below. All right, guys, that's about it. Stay tuned for a few messages from myself. Love you all, and I will see you on my next video. Bye. Hello friends, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. It really does mean the world to me. I take tons of time to film them, to edit them, and so the fact that you guys are taking just time out of your day to watch them, it means so much to me, and so thank you so much. There's a few things I want to share with you all. It won't take long at all, I promise. So number 1, I accept prayer requests. So if there's anything that you're going through that you would love for me to pray over, let me know, contact me. My email is below. You can also add it to the description or to the comments below. Contact me either through social media, through my email, or again through the comments, and I will reach out. I would love to chat with you and have a conversation with you, and just so I can share why I pray, why I believe prayer is so powerful, and just like my beliefs with you. I would love to have that conversation with you. So yeah, again, if you need prayer, just go ahead and contact me. All right, number 2, if you are on social media, just hop on over and follow me. I post, videos here and I have fun with them, but I post a lot more of my everyday life with like my kids and what I do and all that, and my travels on Instagram, especially on the stories. So my Instagram handler is below. Just click on that and it'll link you, or it'll take you right to my page, so you can go ahead and follow me. I have tons of fun over there. Like I said, I post a lot more content, pictures, and so I have a great time over there. So go ahead and follow me. All right, and number 3, if you are not already following me here on YouTube, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video, and just join our fam. I upload things like recipes, makeup reviews, makeup product reviews, period, Bible studies, and just a little bit of everything. I also do vlogs. I share a little bit about my travels, and so just go ahead and follow me, and like I said, just hit that notification bell so that every time I upload something, a cool video, you get notified. All right, that's about it, guys. Again, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.